Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today topic is about thread and types of thread used in manufacturing and mechanical industry. In this video, I will explain what a thread is and its uses and different types of thread in simple language. So till watch this complete video till the end. That's I will explain in everything once you see this image. Then what is so first is I will explain in briefly. After that I will show in everything. So what is thread? So a thread is a helical groove formed on the outer or inner surface of a cylindrical object. Threads are mainly used for fastening, joining, and transmitting motion between machine parts. Examples of thread components are bolt, knot, screw, and pipe fittings. Then, uses of threads. Threads are used for joining machining components, fastening knots and bolts, power transmission in machine, easy assembly and disassembly, pipe connection, precision movement in mechanical systems. Important terms of thread, measure diameter. The largest diameter of thread is called measure diameter. So what is measure diameter? The largest diameter of thread is called measure diameter. Minor diameter. The smallest diameter of thread is called minor diameter. Pitch. The distance between two corresponding points of adjacent thread is called pitch. The distance between two corresponding points of adjacent thread is called pitch. Crest. The top surface of the thread is called crest. Root. The bottom surface between two threads is called root. The bottom surface between two threads is called root. Types of threads. Metric thread. Metric thread is the most commonly used thread system. Metric thread is the most commonly used thread system. Its dimensions are measured in millimeter. It is widely used in automobile and manufacturing industry. British standard white tooth thread. This thread system has a rounded crest and roots. It is mainly used in old British machine and equipments. Square thread. Square thread is used for power transmission applications such as screw jacks, purses. It has highly efficiently and less friction. Acme thread. Acme thread are trapezoidal shapes. It is stronger than square thread and commonly used in lead screw and CNC machine. Butterless threads are designed in handle heavy loaded and advantages of threads. Threads provide strong fastening, easy assembly, deassembly, and accurate movement in mechanical parts. Mechanical parts. Then I will explain in picture. So once you see, this is thread. Types of thread. So definition of thread. So a screw thread often fastening threatened to thread. It is a helical structure used for convert between the rotational and linear movement of or force. A screw thread is rigid, wrapped around the cylinder or core in the form of a helix, with the form being called straight thread and the latter called trapezoidal thread. See this something in issue. So nomenclature of thread. See, this is image. That is the nomenclature of threads. See this image. That is called the nomenclature of the thread. So what is depth, helix angle, plank, groove, crest, thread angle, pitch, major diameter, minor diameter, pitch diameter, everything will explain it. And a lead equal to pitch into humber of the strut, humor of the strut. And threaded of the helix angle. So, lead of the thread. Lead is the axial advantage of helix screw during one complete turn 360 degree. The lead for a screw thread is the axial travel for single revolution. Lead of thread. So the lead is the axial advance of a helix or screw during one complete turn 360. The lead for a screw thread is the axial travel for a single revolution. See this image. So lead, pitch, single start, lead and pitch, double start, lead and pitch, triple start, lead and pitch. Load of thread. So load of thread. Single start, travel one pitch in one travel single start, travel one pitch in one 360 rotation. Double start, travel two pitch in one 360 rotation. Triple start, travel three pitch in 360 rotation. According to feed thread, right hand side thread, left hand side. According to feed thread, right hand side thread, left hand side thread. So according to thread, they say right hand side thread RH, left hand side thread LS. See this is image. And then types of thread. There are variety types of threads are there. First one is V thread, square thread, Acme thread, knuckle thread, butterless thread, then worm thread, pepper thread. First one is V thread, but V type thread. See this is image that is called V type thread. First one is BSW thread, British Standard Whiteworth. BSP thread, British Standard Pipe thread. BA thread, British Association. BSF thread, British Standard File thread. Metric thread, thread. IS thread, International Standard thread. ANS thread, American National System thread. Types of V V thread, BSW thread. The Whiteworth thread was the world first national screw thread standard, diverse and specified Joseph Whiteworth in 1884. Threaded angle 55 degree, pitch 1 by TPI. TPI means it threaded per inches. Depth 0.403 into pitch. Crest and root radius 0.1375 into pitch. BSP thread angle 55 degree. This is crest. This is taper 3 by 4 inches per feet. BSP. So see this is image the BSP 55 degree pitch. Crest BA thread. What is BA thread? What is BA thread? What is BA thread? The BA threads are made up to 0 to 23 numbers. The pitch value of the thread decrease at the number of increase. The thread is used in screw up to 6 mm in diameter. Thread angle 47 degree, pitch 0.9 into x, depth 0.6 into pitch, 0.6 into pitch, 0.6 into pitch. BSF thread. This thread is similar to the BSW thread. The only difference between that is that it has a higher TPI, hence it is called as a fine thread. Example: 1 inch diameter bolt has 8 TPI. According to BSF thread, while in BSF thread has 10 TPI, it is used to maintain good grip and high vibration location. BSF thread. See this is the image of the BSF threads. The types of V thread, metric thread. What is metric thread? Metric threads are being used in India and internationally these days. They are recognized by ISO, International Standard Organization, and the ISI International Standard Institution. This thread is used on a 0.25 mm or 300 mm diameter 0.25 mm to 300 mm diameter of the jaw. Metric thread. See, this is metric thread. Metric thread. Thread angle 60° pitch 1 by TPC. The TPC means thread per centimeter. Depth 0.613 into pitch. Crest radius 0.125 into pitch. Root radius 0.144 into pitch. IS thread. International standard thread. So it has also a type of metric thread. It is found in the UM series with angle of 60°. This thread is used for the special applications such as medical technology, in aeronautical engineering and aeronautics. NSS thread. This thread gauges is found in the pipe thread or the used for United States of America, Canada for montage of the fastening operation. Die and die stop. Die and die stock. See, what is die and die stock? This is called die and this is called die stock. So I will explain in definition. Die is a type of cutting tool used to cut or external thread. Die. So the die is a type of cutting tool used to cut or external thread. Material. The die is made of the die is made of the high carbon steel and high speed steel, and the die stock is made of the cast iron and its handle is mild steel. Types of die. According to the work, the dies are the following types: round, split type, solid type or die knot, adjustable die, pipe die, plate die or die plate, chaser die, apron die. Then types of die, that is, I will explain. Die formula. How to calculate die formula. Shaft size equal to D minus of P by 10. D equal to die size, P equal to pitch. Die formula. Suppose example 12 mm. What will be the 12 mm in die size? What will be the shaft size for die 12? So shaft size D equal P by 10. 12 will be P by 10. 12 minus 1.75. Pitch equal to 11.825. Formula. Then one more example, that is called, see this is image. Then given one more example, see this. Then die stock. What is die stock? It is a tool made of mild steel, cast iron or cast steel, in which we hold the die and cut the external thread. There are two types: split die stock, adjustable die stock. Split die stock, adjustable die stock. So that's all for my me. So friends, today we learn about the threads, their uses, important terms, different types of threads used in manufacturing industry. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more manufacturing and quality related topics. Thank you for the watching.